Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we've got another TAO update. Now, TAO is currently playing out the bullish divergence which we spoke about in the previous video. It looks like it wants to break above $300 and above the bull market support band. Remember, today we've got the FOMC meetings, so there's probably going to be quite a lot of volatility in the market. But when we come to the weekly chart, guys, it looks like we could be targeting around $347 for the price of TAO over the next coming weeks if we can continue this bullish price action to the upside. Now, remember, we've actually got the Bittensor halving coming up very soon. 40,000 blocks to go until the first ever Bittensor halving event, guys. Are you ready for it? Where do you think the price is going to go after the halving? Right? Let me know in the comments right now. If you're a Bittensor holder, make sure you like the video and you're subscribed as well for more Bittensor updates. But you can see here in around 5 to 6 days, we're going to have the amount of emissions cut in half, which means all the miners are going to have to do a lot more work to be mining the same amount of TAO, meaning theoretically the quality of these subnets are going to have to increase and the power of the miners are going to have to increase as well, guys. Now, just for all of you guys wondering why TAO is probably going to be one of the AI coins that does stay here for many cycles. I mean, $21 million hard cap, similar to Bitcoin's, means scarcity. We've got inflation protection, supply control. They now have subnet competition, so they're actually removing any subnets which don't meet their standards, replacing them with ones that do. So high performance subnets are going to be the ones that win, and then that attracts more rewards. Bullish, meaning that not only TAO, but TAO and its subnets are going to have a longer term vision and start to move towards the global intelligence marketplace and decentralized AI services, probably like the leading one along with ICP for decentralized AI services. If you wanted to bet on the direction of TAO and what the next candles are going to be, then again we're going to look at candles today, because a lot of people have been using the candles platform since our last video. Okay, so Bittensor gamified prediction market. Now, candles prediction markets are on-chain markets that let users predict short-term price movements. So you can bet on like the daily candles of crypto assets, specifically in this case TAO, using time-based candles. Okay, so instead of needing deep trading knowledge, you can participate by predicting whether the next candle, whether it's going to be the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, or daily, is going to close higher or lower than what it opened. So it creates fast-paced, skill-based prediction environments that blends trading strategy with the excitement of competitive wagering, guys. Okay, so when it comes to the team, we'll look at the platform in a second, but when it comes to the team, it is built with a team of many years of experience. They got high frequency trading. They have experience in high frequency trading, game theory, and incentive design. They have on-chain systems engineers and crypto gaming specialists to utilize the prediction platform. Okay, so this ensures that candles isn't just going to be like another speculative tool. And as we said in the last video, it could be something that with time starts to capture what Polymarket did, right? Being that Polymarket was like the first real crypto prediction market, or the first successful one, should we say at least. Now, the alpha functions as a native currency, so it's going to be used for the prediction pools, boosted rewards, interacting with future markets in the candle suite, and then governments and community created mechanisms. So alpha is going to be the fuel that circulates the system, aligning the incentives with platform growth. And when it comes to the revenue model, Candles is deployed in partnership with Subnet 31, and the platform earns revenue on every entry fee, following a similar model to DraftKings and FanDuel. I'm sure you guys know what that is. So just like the majority of fantasy and sports prediction platforms, Subnet 31 takes a small percentage of each entry, allowing them to scale without inflation. Okay, so makes it a lot more sustainable. And not only that, they're going to have multiple revenue streams. So for all of you guys that want to like invest in subnets that actually have multiple revenue streams and not just based on mining, you know, they've got the entry fee share, they've got the spread-based pools, the community created markets, future cross-chain integration, so it won't just be TAO, and then sponsored pools, etc. Okay, so how it works is users deposit USDT or Alpha or supported assets into prediction pools. A portion of that then goes to the prize pool, which a small percentage of subnet's 31 fees goes to the platform treasury, and then you get emissions in alpha, which are distributed to users as additional rewards, incentivizing participation and liquidity. Then over time, as the platform revenue grows, the alpha gains more utility and can be reused across future candles prediction markets. Okay, so they do want to expand to markets just beyond candles, right? Probably can bet on like sports in the future, maybe esports, crypto events, bet on the FOMC meeting, right? For example, real world data markets, political markets, etc. And you know, all these community created pools are going to make it a lot more niche, okay, which is also going to drive traction organically. Okay, so you guys could build your own prediction pool, and then creators could share the fees from the pools that they generate, which is really, really cool. So a link for this will be in the description. I mean, you can just look at the prediction generator here. You can say next hour, color, green or red, confidence, whether it's 0.5, 0.51, price, we could put like 315, for example, over the next hour, and then add the prediction and either get paid or, you know, you don't, and then you can do another one if you did so wish to, guys. So that's candles. Over the past, you know, month or so, it's seen significant growth on the subnet alpha token, currently a $3 million market cap. So extremely low market cap. Link for that will be in the description, so you guys can go and check them out. But as it comes to TAO, guys, I mean, let me know what you think the direction of TAO's next daily and weekly candle will be, okay? Because on the 4-hour chart right now, it looks like we want to push a little bit higher. We need to be breaking above this zone here for a good range breakout to around that $340, which we were speaking about. So this is where my eyes are going to be on. Not post FOMC. Remember, you know, leaning into FOMC, sometimes we can get some shakeout, so don't be surprised if we did get some sort of rejection here, considering this was a high once, this was a high twice, this was a high 3 times. We may need to go lower before we do break out. That's just a quick video on TAO today. We'll get more altcoin updates on the channel over the next week, so if you found anything in this video useful, you know what to do. Like the video and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.